Now we will discuss few more questions related with skill development course. Dear friends, this skill development course is of 50 marks and you have to appear for this examination. It is mandatory for you to appear for this examination because you will not able to get your degree certificate if you are not appearing for this examination. So this examination is of 50 marks. So there shall be 25 questions and each question carries 2 marks. So therefore the total marks will be 50. And to get pass in this examination, you should at least be getting 20 marks. So that means out of 25 questions, 10 questions shall be correct. So if 10 questions are correct, then you are pass in the examination and it is a mandatory examination. You have to appear for this examination whenever there is an examination. So now continue with next few questions. Khadi is a trademark, certification mark, collective mark, both A and B. So what is the correct answer for this question? Khadi is a collective mark. So Khadi is a collective mark. The correct answer to this question is collective mark. Next question. Question number 13. Hallmark is a trademark, certification mark, collective mark, both A and B. So what about this hallmark? So hallmark is either a collective mark, certification mark, or it is a collective mark, both A and B. The correct answer to this question is, question number 13 is, hallmark is a certification mark. So always hallmark is nothing but a certification mark. Next question. Question number 14. So these questions are now on right to information, RTI. So RTI Act 2005 came into force on 12th October 2005, 15th August 2005, 15th June 2005, 1st November 2005. So when the RTI Act came into force, so that is, so which answer is correct? A, B, C or D? Question number 14. The correct answer is 12th October 2005. So in October 12th 2005 the RTI Act came into existence. So question number 14, the correct answer is A. Question number 15. Which of the following is not come under the definition of information under RTI Act 2005? Logbooks, file notings, data material held in electronic form and circulars. So which of the following is not come under the definition of information under? So logbooks, file notings, data material and circulars. So question number 15. The correct answer is file notings. So file notings does not come under the definition of information. What is the time limit to get the information under RTI Act 2005? So to get the information, so when you apply for getting an information, so the time limit is how many days? 15 days, 45 days, 60 days, 30 days. So the correct answer is 30 days. So within 30 days you have to get the information from the appellate officer. Question number 17. So the question number 17 is, what is the time limit to get the information concerning the life and liberty of a person? A. 48 hours, 24 hours, 5 days and 10 days. So what is the correct answer? So what is the time limit to get the information concerning the life and liberty of a person? The correct answer is 48 hours. What is the fee of getting information under RTI Act? So to get an information, you have to pay a certain amount of fee. What is that fee? So whether it is rupees 20, that is option A, option B is rupees 50, option C is rupees 100, and option D is rupees 10. So the correct answer to this is you have to pay rupees 10 for getting an information. Next question, question number 19. First appeal shall be disposed of by the first appellate authority within dash dash days from the date of its receipt. So place when you want the information and when you apply for getting that information, the appellate authority shall give the first appeal. So that shall be disposed by the first appellate authority within how much days? 40 days, 30 days, 60 days, 50 days. So the correct answer to this question is 30 days. So within 30 days, the first appellate authority shall be disposed. Suppose you apply today for getting an information and by paying rupees 10, then within 30 days you have to get that information. So that is mandatory for the first appellate authority. Question number 20. Human rights. So these are the examples based on human right education. So that is concept number 2. See, in this paper, skill development course, so there are 4 subsections. The first is right to information. The second is human rights education. The third is intellectual property rights, and the fourth one is patents. And there are 25 questions. So roughly each and every section contains 6 questions. So there may be 6 questions on RTI, HRE, there may be 6 questions. Likewise, IPR and patents are also having 6 questions. So question number 20. Human rights classified into social rights, civil and political rights, economic, social and cultural rights, all of the above. So what is the answer to this question? So human rights can be classified all these above. So that means human rights are social rights, civil rights, political rights, economic, social and cultural rights. National Human Rights Commission in India established under National Commission for Backward Classes Act 1993, the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, UN Commission on Human Rights, none of the above. Question number 21. So when the National Human Rights Commission in India established under, so this can be established under, so what is the correct answer to this question? The correct answer is B. B is nothing but the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. The next question. So this question number 22. Human Rights Commission Bill was introduced in Lok Sabha on. So when the Human Rights Bill in India introduced in Lok Sabha? 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994. The correct answer for this question is 1992. So 1992, this year. So in this year, 1992, Human Rights Commission Bill was introduced in India. You have to remember all these years. Next, dash dash was the first document to place limits on the absolute power of the king. A. Natural law, the American Declaration of Independence 1776, the French Declaration of the Rights of Man and the Citizen 1789, Magna Carta. So for this question number 23, the correct answer is, Magna Carta. So Magna Carta was the first document. So the name of the document is Magna Carta, which gives the absolute power of the king. The United Nations UN came into existence in. So in which year the United Nations came into existence? 1943, 44, 45, 42. So 20, question number 24. The correct answer to this question is 1945. So in the year 1945, the United Nations came into existence. The correct answer is C. The last question. A person's human rights dash dash be taken away. Can be taken away, cannot be taken away, cannot say anything about this statement, and none of the above. The question number 25. So what you feel that whether your human rights can be taken away? So what is your take? So a person's human right, the correct answer to this question is cannot be taken away. So one cannot take your human rights from you. So that is a person's human rights cannot be taken away. So these are the few questions. These are the sample questions. You can go through the resource material, so which is available in the university website, understand the concept and appear for an examination. So I hope you are getting some sort of idea about this skill development course. Uh, and I wish all you the best of luck for your examination. Thank you very much.